Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator power control board. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new power control board. The power control board controls the cooling of the refrigerator. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and the unit's not cooling. In order to get to the part, we have to go to the back of the refrigerator. Now that we're around back, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the two screws that hold the panel on. Once you have the screws out, you can pull the top of the panel forward and then lift it off the tabs at the bottom. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the panel off, we have access to the power control board. It's mounted on the top, right above the main control board. There's 3 wire harnesses attached to it. They all have locking tabs on it. We're just going to release them and pull them off the board. Once you have the wiring harnesses off, we have to press on this tab right here to release it. All you have to do is press it down. We can pull the power control board off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old power control board next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new power control board in, we're just going to lift it up into place so the top goes behind these 2 tabs. And then we can push the lower part in so it snaps in. If you have to, you may have to press on the release tab a little bit and push it in. Once you have it in, we can hook up the wire harnesses. We're just going to put the red one here. All you have to do is push these on so they lock into place. The blue one here. And the white one went up here. Once you have them all plugged in, we can put the panel back on. To put the panel on, we're just going to put the 2 lower tabs into their slots. And you can lift the panel up. We can use a Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Now that we have the panel back on, we can plug the refrigerator back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.